Can you read this sentence? This is a part of advertisement in New York subway station in 1970s. Many New Yorkers were able to read this sentence. This means languages have a surplus. However, a clear expression is needed for more accurate meaning delivery. Many people are being sacrificed for efficiency. For efficiency, the company dismisses its employees. Let's say Company A has 100 employees. The company purchased a robot that can replace 50 employees. What is the most efficient way to run the company? Reducing working hours from 8 to 4 could be the best solution. However, the employer might be greedy. They order employees to work as before and produce 50 more products using the robot. Production of more than necessary products lowered the value, so the company didn't make more profit from it. Actually, the company is only paying more to purchase robot. The employer can also fire 60 employees and order 40 employees to work 9 hours. 10 more were laid off to collect the robot price. The rest of the employees don't complain because of fear of being fired. The greedy is the first reason that the employer made that stupid decision. The decision made everyone unhappy. The author of the book, 김상욱의 과학공부, emphasized the importance of surplus. Best efficiency is from allowing surplus. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. It was Korean Library. Thank you.